How to make slow motion from a normal video. To achieve this effect, we will use the free Capcut application on our iPhone. If you have already prepared a video, open Capcut, create a new project, and search for the video you want to get the slow motion effect from. Now we cut the film so that there is a fragment when the cat is close. To do this, we move our finger on the timeline. Where we want to cut and select split. Select the cut fragment and select delete. Now select your video, select speed. Click normal. Move the slider all the way to the left. And from the release option, choose better quality, as I did. Now confirm in the lower right corner. Wait until charging is complete and do not turn off or turn off your phone during this time. And that's it. Now just render the video by clicking in the upper right corner. Move the sliders as I did and confirm. If you like the guide, leave a thumbs up under the video.